This is the last of my three-part text series today on organizing our Science Interactive digital notebook. I want to show you how to link our science notebook from our Google Drive to Google Classroom. Now, I originally assigned this in Canvas, and when I'm asking you to submit things, that's a helpful place because that's what the district wants us to do. But Google Classroom is really helpful because I can watch what you are writing in real time and I can be giving you personal feedback by just typing you a suggestion in your notebook. So that's really helpful. I also have the ability to edit your notebook along with you. And so that's reasons why we're going to be using Google Classroom periodically. So I have in our announcement, you can see this is period 4, Tuesday. Upload your IMB to Google Classroom. See this video for how to do that. All right. So I've already shown how to find your IMB. If you click here, it's going to send you to Google Classroom. And when you get there, you go to your work, add or create, go to Google Drive, and you should find it here in your recent section. It might not be the first one. You might have to scroll through depending on your classes. Click on that and go ahead and click Insert. Excellent. At this point, it is linked and I will be able to see that. Don't click Turn In. If you do, you'll lose editing privileges. So I'll show you what happens if you click Turn In. You've submitted your work. And now when you click on this as a student, you'll notice that you no longer have editing privileges. So please actually don't click request edit access from me. It's really easy. What you do is you go back to Google Classroom and just unsubmit. And then the document is yours to work on again. So again, this is purely so that we can I can be looking at what you are working on, kind of like in the classroom where I might be walking by and giving you some suggestions. This will allow me to do that. So you don't need to turn in your INB on Google Classroom. All right, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and if you haven't uploaded this onto Google Classroom, do that now.